From this video, we are going to start the HTML video series. Before starting the HTML video series, let's understand about the how do website work and what is website. You can see simple definition. This is the collection of web pages. So let's take in one example. If you have any web browser, that is Chrome or Microsoft Edge or any web browser, and if you enter any domain name into your web browser, then you can get web pages into your screen. And you can see here, this is my web browser. You can use any web browser here. And to access your website, you must have to use the domain name. And after entering the domain name, you can access your website into your screen. So how does it works? If I go to my any web browser, and after entering into the web browser, I can search the domain name there. So by typing any website's name, like the Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or any website, this is eKantipur's news portal. And you can access eKantipur web page, or you can set the website into your browser. But before accessing your eKantipur websites into your browser, the DNS is there, and DNS will convert this domain name into the IP address. And after that, it will goes into the web server and it searches for the websites, that is eKantipur, inside the web server. And DNS will match the IP address and the domain name, and if it finds the websites in the web server, then it will response it back to the web browser, and we can access the websites in the web browser from the web server. So here we enter only the domain name, and domain name will convert into the IP address. Through the IP address, we can access our websites through the web server, and it will again back to the web browser. So in this way, our websites work. So if you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. After this video, we'll discuss about the HTML